Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of Mito's Beginner Tutorial. My name is Mito. Today I'll be talking on how to sign up for Mito's automated bot training application. There's a link provided in the description box where you can just click into the link and there will be a pop-up window with this website. Let's get started. First of all, click on the create account, key in your email, and then click on send code to get your verification code. Copy and paste the code from your email into this box. Email would either appear in your inbox or in your junk email. Be aware that to check your inbox and your junk email, okay? So after key in the code, you can key in the password that you will prefer. And please be in mind that no special characters is needed for the password. Enter the invitation code that has been provided in the description box. And do remember to tick on the disclosure statement and then proceed with register. Now you have successfully registered for the Mito automated trading bot and key in your email here and your password here. The first time you log in, because you have very little MGAS in your wallet, so there will be notice stating that you have less than 20 meter gas. Just click on to recharge, and this is where you can recharge your MGAS. First of all, I will introduce you on Mito automated trading bot application. To start using the bot, we'll have to first add an API. Where do you have to add API? You have to go to API management, choose the platform that you will bind with. So there's BNB, Get.io, BingX. So we are using BingX on our end, so we'll be binding BingX here. So you will have to require to key in your API key and your secret key. How do you get your API or secret key? So just go to binding tutorial, and over here, all the tutorials will be here. So today I'll be introducing the features of bot trading app. As you can see, there's a ranking list here where we can see everyone who are earning over here. The ranking will be from top 1 to top 10 only. I mean bot trading app. There are two types of bot trading app here. One is for spot trading and another one is for contract trading. It depends on the strategy that you would like to use. But first, I will let you know on the first hand, here will be the total assets of the exchange in your wallet. I mean, in your exchange. This will be the available amount that will be used for automated trading. Over here is our floating profit and loss. In our e-bill, there will be today's profit or loss, the cumulative profit or loss, and the pair of token that has profit or loss. Most of the people are using this rain lightning strategy because it's a very easy strategy where you can do hedging, long, short, or high frequency trading. So just click in it and you can choose your currency selections here. We have plenty of selections here. Choose the one that you're familiar with. So for me, mostly I'll go for Bitcoin, CPDC here, just click in it and just confirm. And you can go for default or your own preferred settings. So we have save, balance, aggressive, and high frequency trading and custom settings trading. If you're lazy to do settings, just choose either safe, balance, or aggressive or high frequency. If you're preferred or you're a formal trader, you can go for custom settings. In custom setting, you can choose either you want to go for a long or short, a two-way direction. Two-way is just a hedging direction, okay? And you can even adjust your leverage here. So you can choose how much you would like to leverage. If you want the bot to pick on the trending signal. For people who are experienced trader, I believe that they know what does it mean by MACD, EMA, and RSI. So you can choose the signal that you want the bot to pick on because there's a lot of signals there. And about my pick on MACD, EMA, and how many minutes that you want the bot to pick on. Normally for our general trading settings, we'll be providing to our VIP members. And how to be a VIP member, I'll be introducing it in later on. I know experienced traders know what that means. But if new traders, I will suggest you guys to come attend our tutorial sessions. We are providing tutorial sessions on certain days in a week and certain times. Just join our Telegram group and we're providing all these session times and dates in the group. You can join it just like whenever you like. The most important settings that is available is the waterfall settings. What is waterfall settings? Waterfall settings are settings to prevent incident that when coin option you choose are going more than maybe 3% or how many percent you're likely to stop at. Because like the Black Monday incident where the price of tokens has gone crazy and everyone is either earning a lot or losing a lot. So that's why we have the waterfall prevention settings here, just to prevent if there will be a very huge loss and the bot can't stop time. Turn on the waterfall settings and that will prevent all these losses. Okay, if we're done, just click save because I'm not putting any amount here, so we can save the settings. And last but not least, we have referral settings. By inviting your friends, you can give your friends your invitation code or providing them with invitation link. So we have VIP level here, so you can check your VIP levels over here. Okay, so how to purchase MGAS. First, you'll have to purchase USDT and put it into your Mito automated trading bot application. But how do we do that? First, we goes to home. We will go to start value. Over here, you can purchase USDT. So just click on BEP20 USDT and or copy the address to where you would like to purchase the USDT from or give them the QR code and just buy in PureSDT and it will automatically goes to my wallet. So after purchasing USDT, they will appear in a set account. To convert to MGAS or to convert to fuel, you can just click on convert to fuel, and for S account to fuel and how much you will purchase or how much you would like to convert or how much you would like to transfer, just click in here and confirm the transfer. Oh yeah, I have forgotten that. We will require MGAS or fuel to run the bot. So please make sure that you have fuel or MGAS in your wallet before running the bot.
Before convert MGAS, we have to set up payment password. After set up my payment password, and continues key in the USD which is you going to exchange to MGAS. And click on confirm, and it's done.
And if you would like to withdraw, then yeah, you're just gonna withdraw, put in the withdrawal address and the withdrawal amount and withdraw in very easy steps. That will be the end of my introduction to the Mito automated trading bot application. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section and I will reply to you. And join our Mito community group in the Telegram or WhatsApp. And you can just leave your questions there and our admins will start replying to you. So don't worry about it. I hope you guys have a great day in Web3 and doing great and fine in Web3. All right. Thank you for watching the video and wait for the next video on how we find the API. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day. Goodbye.